This is Miss Alyssa. She has a condition called hypertension. So one day, when she was doing her daily routine, doing chores, she suddenly felt dizzy. So this is her at home using a connected blood pressure monitor to check her reading. Her data is then automatically transmitted to the nurse, Nurse Hannah. She then notices that several of Miss Alyssa's readings is above the target range. Nurse Hannah then initiates a secure video call with Miss Alyssa.
Good morning, Miss Ali. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Nurse Hannah. I'm feeling alright, but I have been experiencing some mild headaches lately.
I see. I've been reviewing your recent blood pressure readings and they've been consistently higher than the target range. The headaches could be related. Have you been taking your medication as prescribed?
Yes, I believe so. Sometimes I forgot the evening dose though.
That's important to remember, Miss Alyssa. Consistency is key with blood pressure medication. Missing doses can affect its effectiveness. Also, have you noticed any other symptoms like dizziness or shortness of breath?
No, not really. Just the headaches.
Okay. I'm going to consult with Dr. Ali about your readings and these headaches. We may need to adjust your medication or explore other lifestyle changes that can help manage your blood pressure. In the meantime, try to remember to take your medication consistently. And please let us know if you experience any new or worsening symptoms. Do you have any questions for me?
No, I think I understand. Thank you, Nurse Hannah.
Nurse Hannah then consults with Dr. Lee regarding Miss Alyssa's case and decided to adjust her medication slightly. Nurse Hannah then updates Miss Alyssa's care plan remotely and schedules a follow-up video consultation. A few days later, Miss Alyssa is shown taking her blood pressure. The reading is now within the target range.
My headaches are gone and my blood pressure is back to normal. Thank you for the help, Nurse Hannah.
That's great to hear, Miss Alyssa. Please keep monitoring your blood pressure regularly and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any concerns. Okay?
In today's rapidly evolving healthcare landscape, technology plays a crucial role in enhancing patient care. One such innovation is telemonitoring, a powerful tool that's transforming how nurses deliver care.
Telemonitoring, also known as remote patient monitoring, allows healthcare providers to remotely monitor a patient's health status. This means we can track vital signs, activity levels, and other important data from the comfort of the patient's home.
So how does it work? Patients use connected devices like blood pressure monitors, glucose meters, or even smartwatches to collect their health data. This data is then securely transmitted, often via a smartphone or dedicated hub, to healthcare providers.
Nurses then review this data, looking for trends, potential problems, and any concerning changes in the patient's condition.
Nurses play a vital role in telemonitoring. They are not just looking at numbers. They are interpreting the data in the context of the patient's overall health. They provide virtual consultations, educate patients about their conditions, and adjust treatment plans as needed.
Crucially, telemonitoring systems can be set to alert nurses when a patient's readings fall outside of predefined parameters. This allows for timely intervention, potentially preventing serious health complications.
Telemonitoring offers numerous advantages. It improves access to care, especially for patients in remote areas or those with mobility issues. It allows for early detection of health problems, leading to better outcomes. And it empowers patients to take a more active role in their own health management.
However, there are also challenges. Technical issues, like connectivity problems or device malfunctions, can occur. Data privacy and security are paramount, and robust systems are needed to protect patient information. And finally, it's important to remember that telemonitoring is a tool, and it requires skilled nurses to interpret the data and provide compassionate care.
Telemonitoring is transforming healthcare, empowering nurses to provide more proactive, personalized, and accessible care. By leveraging technology, we can connect care and improve the lives of our patients.